this class, we will produce a sales dashboard. For this, here I have a table with companies, with product, seller, subsidiary, sales date, value, year of sale, and month of sale.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
With this, we will create a dashboard from it. First step, we have to format as a table. I will choose this color, and it asks me if the dashboard has a header. Yes, it has a header. Next step, we will create a dynamic table. I will create a new guide, a new dashboard. And now we will make some fields to have. The first field we will make is the product, product in line, and value in value. Here I want to make a change. I want to filter here only the 3 biggest products in terms of sales, the sales sum. Here I will create a table. Our first table is ready. I will open a new spreadsheet and I will press Ctrl X to paste it there. The second we will do is about the dates. With this, I will press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy and paste. And I will go here in sales date. It showed all the sales dates. And here I will also create a new line chart. This one is ready. Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste here. And our third table is about the companies. I will put here companies. Let me just come here. Sales date. And here I will put the month in line. I will remove it. So the value I will leave here in value. The month I will put here in month. And the sales column I will put here in column. Okay, let me just remove it and put sales date. I will put it like this. Now I will come here in sum value and put the total value. Let me replace it and put the month here. I will press Ctrl C. The month I will put in line. The date in line. The value in value. And the sales column. Now I will come here. Now yes. Okay, I will finish here and add a new chart. I will add a chart. I will put this here and this here. Okay? For this, I will take a stock table to add background to our chart. I will take this one. I will expand it here. I will throw it back. And now I will adjust my chart. I will leave it here. And I will pull this one too. Now it's a matter of personalization. I will come here. And this one, I will come here in design. If I click here in the chart, look, there are some designs ready here. I will leave this one. This one. I will add this blue to match here. And this one, I will show the values. I will leave the value because it matches here. And here I will add our segmentation. I will take the month, the year, and also the product that sold the most. I will align it here. The month too. And the product here. Notice that when I click in 2015, it only changes this chart. It only changes. If I click here in month 2, it only changes the chart because it doesn't have a relationship between charts. For this, I have to click here. Click on Connection. I will select for the 3 charts. For the 3 dynamic tables that we created. Here I will also select Connection, and here too. Now when I click in 2015, it shows only the 2015 values. In 2016, only the 2016 values. In 2017, only the 2017 values. I want to filter only the cameras. It shows the total value. Camera and drone. Camera, drone, and desktop. It shows here. This way it is very cool. And you can have a more visual presentation. Attractive. To present to your team or your project,